The kidneys are vital organs in the human body, playing a crucial role in eliminating waste, maintaining fluid balance, and filtering minerals and toxins from the blood. To ensure overall health, it's important to focus on kidney and urinary system care. In this video, we will discuss 7 simple ways to naturally detox and cleanse your kidneys. Make sure to watch until the end to discover a commonly overlooked method. Ready to start? Let's dive in. Please remember, this video is for informational purposes only. The most crucial step in detoxifying your kidneys is staying hydrated. Proper hydration aids the kidneys in flushing out toxins and waste through urine, making urine a key indicator of hydration levels. On average, a person produces about 6 cups of urine daily. If you're urinating less, it likely means you need to drink more water. Ideally, urine should be clear or light yellow. Dark yellow urine suggests dehydration. Increasing your fluid intake can lighten the urine color. Other dehydration symptoms include headaches, dry mouth, dizziness, and fatigue. Drinking more water can improve kidney function and alleviate these symptoms. But how much water should you drink daily? While 8 glasses is a general guideline, individual needs vary. Instead of strictly counting glasses, monitor your body's hydration signals and adjust accordingly. Another way to cleanse your kidneys is to reduce sodium intake. Many people consume too much sodium, averaging around 3,400 milligrams per day, exceeding the recommended limit by over 1,000 milligrams. Excessive sodium can harm your kidneys by increasing calcium in the urine, raising the risk of kidney stones, and causing high blood pressure, which can damage the arteries leading to the kidneys and potentially result in kidney failure. Limiting processed foods is an effective way to reduce sodium intake. Next, focus on eating kidney-friendly foods. Processed foods high in sodium are detrimental to kidney health, whereas fresh foods rich in nutrients and antioxidants support kidney function. Fruits like apples, which are high in antioxidants, vitamin C, and fiber, offer anti-inflammatory benefits for the kidneys. Vegetables like kale, spinach, and sweet potatoes provide vitamins and minerals that detoxify the kidneys. Including fish in your diet is also beneficial due to its omega-3 fatty acids, which can reduce the risk of end-stage renal disease or slow its progression. Another excellent method for kidney cleansing is herbal teas. Used for centuries for various health benefits, herbal teas can help detox the kidneys and maintain their optimal function. Rich in antioxidants, herbal teas offer anti-inflammatory and cleansing benefits and can reduce the risk of kidney stones. Consider trying nettle leaf tea, turmeric tea, and dandelion tea. Additionally, taking the right vitamins and supplements is essential for kidney health. Vitamins and nutrients are as crucial for the kidneys as oxygen is for the lungs. Vitamin B6, for instance, reduces calcium oxalate, lowering the risk of kidney stones. Andrographis may help reduce the toxic effects of alcohol on the kidneys, though more research is needed. Other beneficial vitamins and supplements include alpha-lipoic acid, morena, N-acetylcysteine, resveratrol, probiotics, and vitamin D. Always consult your doctor before adding new supplements to your regimen to ensure they're appropriate for your specific condition. Continuing on, another straightforward approach is to steer clear of artificial sweeteners. You might have already modified your diet to replace refined sugar with artificial sweeteners in an effort to be healthier and cut down on calories. This seems logical, right? Consuming fewer calories should lead to weight loss. However, research has shown the opposite effect. Artificial sweeteners can actually disrupt our taste buds, leading to an increased appetite and overeating. This, in turn, contributes to weight gain and heightens the risk of stroke, high blood pressure, and heart disease. Additionally, it raises the likelihood of developing type 2 diabetes and kidney disease. Common offenders include sucralose, found in Splenda, saccharin, found in Sweet and Low, and aspartame, found in Equal. Instead, consider using natural sweeteners like honey, maple syrup, or agave nectar, but be sure to use them sparingly. One of the most potent methods for cleansing the kidneys is to undertake a 2-day kidney detox. This involves dedicating a 2-day period to consuming only foods and beverages that support kidney health. As previously mentioned, your kidneys function as the body's filtration system, removing toxins and waste. During this brief period, by ingesting only the most beneficial nutrients, your kidneys can effectively eliminate excess toxins from your body, optimizing your renal system. This detox diet can include a variety of juices, teas, herbs, smoothies, and foods that promote kidney health. You can refer to the foods and supplements discussed in this video and do additional research to find what suits you best. Note that the NCCIH indicates there is no clinical evidence supporting the effectiveness of these detox programs. However, many individuals report positive outcomes from their experiences. Nevertheless, it is advisable to consult your doctor before starting any new regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Most of us can maintain optimal kidney health simply by following a balanced diet and staying hydrated, but now you have additional methods to consider. Quickly, if you could do me a huge favor and hit the like button, it greatly helps support the channel and is immensely appreciated. While you're at it, please subscribe to our channel. We have many more videos that you might find interesting. I hope you found the information shared in this video helpful and that you're now one step closer to better kidney health and overall well-being. Remember, we are not medical professionals. This video is for informational purposes only. I would love to hear which methods are your favorites and which ones you plan to try out. Let me know in the comments below. Also, we have a comprehensive guide on this topic on our website, and I'll leave a link to it in the description below. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Have a wonderful day, and as always, breathe easy, my friends.